5 herbal teas for headache and migraine cure. Peppermint tea. This tea has pain-relieving effect with no side effects. Chamomile tea. This tea is generally used to treat anxiety. Its tension-relieving effects makes it a good fit for headache treatment. Note, if you are taking blood thinners, talk to your doctor before using this tea. Willow bark tea. This tea has an active ingredient, salicin, which is similar in function to aspirin. Children, nursing mother or pregnant women should stay away from this tea. Feverfew tea. This tea can be used to treat and prevent migraines. Do not use this tea if you are pregnant. It can cause miscarriage by inducing early labor. If you have mouth irritation, try reducing the concentration by adding more water to the tea bag. Clove tea. This is one of the most powerful antinociceptive herbs which helps in reducing or blocking pain perception. To use it, add 1 teaspoon of ground cloves in 1 cup of boiling water. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes, strain and drink. Ginger tea. It has powerful antioxidants that help to reduce inflammation, which can cause headaches. You can get these tea at your local health food store or see the link in the description below. For effectiveness, buy the organic ones. For more research-based home remedies and natural health tips, subscribe to the channel.